What if I told you that the phone in your hand right now could be pulling in an extra $500, $1,000, or even $5,000 a month? No fancy equipment, no college degree, no massive following required. Look, I get it. Everyone's talking about side hustles these days, but most guides out there are either outdated or they're pushing some shady get rich quick scheme that'll waste your time. That's not what we're doing here. Today, I'm breaking down 10 legitimate side hustles you can start right now with just your phone, ranked from lowest to highest earning potential. And yeah, we're talking real numbers here. According to recent data, the freelance market alone is expected to hit $839 billion in 2025, growing at 14.5% annually. The opportunities are massive, and I'm going to show you exactly where to jump in. By the end of this video, you'll know which side hustle matches your skills, your schedule, and honestly, your bank account goals. Let's get into it. Number 10, paid surveys and user testing, $50 to $300 a month. All right, starting at the bottom of our earnings list, but hear me out because this one's perfect if you're literally just getting started. Paid surveys and user testing apps like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and User Testing will actually pay you to answer questions or test websites. The catch? You're not getting rich here. We're talking maybe $50 to $300 a month if you're consistent. But here's the thing, it's stupid easy. You can do this while watching TV, waiting for your coffee, or sitting in a boring meeting, no judgment. Zero skills required, zero investment. In all honesty, this is beer money, not rent money. Use it to get started, build momentum, and fund your next move. Number 9, playing games for rewards, $100 to $400 a month. Yeah, you can actually get paid to play games on your phone. Apps like Misplay and platforms like Swagbucks reward you for playing specific games and completing tasks. Again, we're not talking life-changing money, maybe $100 to $400 a month if you grind it out. But if you're already scrolling through your phone for hours anyway, why not make a few bucks doing it? Pro tip, don't download random sketchy apps. Stick to well-reviewed platforms with actual payout histories. Number 8, selling unused items, $200 to $1,000 plus a month. This one's a quick win. Seriously, look around your house right now. That gadget you haven't touched in 2 years, those clothes with the tags still on, that's literally money sitting there. Apps like Poshmark, Mercari, Facebook Marketplace, and eBay make it ridiculously easy to list and sell stuff straight from your phone. Earnings potential, if you declutter strategically, you could pull $200 to $1,000 plus in your first month alone. And here's the kicker. Once you've sold your own stuff, you can flip thrift store finds or clearance items for profit. One of my friends started by selling old sneakers and now flips limited edition shoes for a consistent $1,500 a month, all from her phone. Number 7, affiliate marketing, $300 to $3,000 a month. Okay, now we're getting into the stuff that can actually replace a part-time job. Affiliate marketing is when you promote someone else's product and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Think of those Amazon must-haves videos on Instagram or TikTok. You don't need a huge following to start. You just need a platform, whether that's Instagram, YouTube, a blog, or even just sharing links with friends and family. Programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and Printify's affiliate program, which offers 5% commissions with no earnings cap, are beginner-friendly and free to join. But let me burst your bubble for a sec. In your first few months, you might make $300 to $500. But as you grow your audience and refine your strategy, $1,000 to $3,000 pluses per month is totally achievable. Some top affiliates pull 6 figures a year. Number 6, online tutoring, $800 to $2,500 a month. If you've got knowledge in any subject, math, English, music, coding, even how to use Excel, you can tutor online. Platforms like Preply, Wisent, and Tutor.com connect you with students globally. You set your own rates, usually $15 to $60 hour, and your own schedule. Here's the math. Let's say you tutor for just 10 hours a week at $25 per hour. That's $1,000 a month. Bump it up to 15 hours or charge more as you gain experience. You're looking at $500 to $2,500 plus monthly. Best part? You're teaching what you already know. Zero overhead costs, pure profit. Number 5, Customer service representative, $1,000 to $3,000 month. Companies like Alorica and Arise hire remote customer service reps who work entirely from their phones. You're basically answering customer inquiries through calls, chats, or emails. It's flexible, you can often pick your own shifts, and it pays reasonably well, usually $12 to $20 depending on the company. Do the math, work 20 hours a week at 15 hour on 200 month. Scale up to 30 hours or find higher paying gigs and you're at $2,000 to $3,000 month. Bonus, many of these positions offer benefits or bonuses for performance. Number 4, stock photography and videography, $1,000 to $4,000 plus per month. Got a decent phone camera? You can sell photos and videos on stock sites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Getty Images. Companies, marketers, and content creators are always looking for high-quality stock content. And here's the beautiful part. You upload once, and that photo can sell over and over again. Passive income at its finest. According to recent data, some content creators earn over $1,000 per month just from royalties. The more content you upload, the more you earn. Strategy tip: focus on trending niches. Think remote work setups, diverse people in everyday situations, nature shots, and lifestyle content. Those sell like crazy. Number 3, content creation, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, $1,500 to $10,000 plus on pounds month. This is where things get really interesting. Becoming a content creator isn't just about going viral, it's about building an audience and monetizing it through ads, sponsorships, and selling your own products. Let's break down the income streams. Ad revenue. Once you hit YouTube Partner Program requirements or TikTok Creator Fund, you earn from views, sponsorships. Brands will pay you to promote their products. Even micro-influencers with 5,000 to 10,000 followers get deals. Selling digital products, courses, presets, templates, whatever matches your niche. Your first few months might be slow, but creators who stay consistent, they're pulling $2,000 to $5,000 a month within a year, and top creators make well into 6 figures. The key? Pick a niche you actually care about, post consistently, and engage with your audience. Number 2, freelance writing, $2,000 to $6,000 plus month. If you can write clearly, and I mean just communicate ideas in a way that makes sense, you can freelance as a writer. According to 2025 data, the average freelance writer earns $27.88 per hour, with rates ranging from $25 to $100 per article, depending on your niche and experience. And here's the realistic path. For beginners, start at $25 to $50 per article. Write 2 to 3 articles per week, charge $800 to $1 and $200 a month. For intermediate, 3 to 6 months in, charge $100 to $300 per article. Write 10 to 15 articles per month, $2,000 to $3,500 a month. And for the advanced, specialized writers, tech, finance, healthcare, can charge $500 to $1,500 plus per article. At this level, $5,000 to $10,000 a month is normal platforms to start. Fiverr, Upwork, Contently, or pitch directly to businesses. Pro tip: niching down, like SaaS writing, healthcare content, or finance articles, lets you charge 2 to 3x more than general writing. Number 1, social media management, $2,500 to $10,000 plus a month. And the top earner on our list, social media management, small businesses, coaches, influencers, they all need someone to manage their social media accounts. And most of them, they don't have time or don't know how to do it themselves. According to recent salary data, social media managers earn an average of $64,945 per year. That's about 31 hour, with hourly rates ranging from $24 to $47. Here's the freelance breakdown. Beginner rates, $500 to $1,000 per client month. Manage 3 clients, charge $1,500 to $3,000 a month. Experienced rates, $1,500 to $3,000 per client month. Manage 3 to 5 clients, charge $4,500 to $15,000 a month. What you'd be doing: creating and scheduling posts, engaging with followers, analyzing performance metrics, running basic ad campaigns. And for the tools, you will be using Hootsuite, Buffer, and Canva. Make this super manageable, even from your phone. Best part? Businesses need this service. The social media management market is projected to hit $32.48 billion in 2025. There's more than enough work to go around. All right, let's walk through a realistic beginner scenario so you can see how this actually works. Let's say you're starting as a social media manager from scratch. You've got basic social media skills from managing your own Instagram or TikTok. Week 1 to 2, you create a simple portfolio showing mock posts or offer to manage a friend's small business account for free for 1 month. You screenshot the results, follower growth, engagement rates. Week 3 to 4, you join Facebook groups for small business owners, post on LinkedIn, and reach out to 20 local businesses offering your services at a beginner rate. Let's say $500 a month per client. You land your first client, a local coffee shop that needs 3 posts per week on Instagram and Facebook. Month 1, you're managing 1 client, earning $500. You spend 5 to 7 hours per week on their account using scheduling tools like Buffer. That's about $150 an hour if we break it down. Month 2 to 3, your coffee shop client is happy, their engagement is up 40%. You ask for a testimonial and use that to land 2 more clients at $750 each. Now you're making $2,000 a month managing 3 clients, working roughly 15 to 20 hours per week total. That's comparable to a part-time job, but with way more flexibility. Month 6 plus, you raise your rates to $1,000 to $1,500 per client as you gain experience and results. You're now at $3,000 to $4,500 a month. I mean, the math is simple. 3 clients at $1,000 a month more $3,000 a month, work 20 hours, week, or 150-hour effective rate, all manageable from your phone. Key point, this is a realistic path, not a guarantee. Success depends on your effort, learning curve, and ability to deliver results. But thousands of people are doing exactly this right now. So there you have it. 10 legit side hustles you can start with just your phone, ranked by earning potential. From paid surveys at the bottom to social media management, potentially pulling in $5,000 to $10,000 pluses per month at the top. There's something here for everyone. Here's my challenge to you. Pick one from this list, just one, and take action this week, not next month, not when you have time, this week. Because here's the truth, the freelance economy is booming, opportunities are everywhere, but only the people who actually start will see results. Your phone is already in your hand. The question is, what are you going to do with it? If this video helped you, do me a favor, smash that like button so more people can find this. And if you're serious about starting a side hustle, subscribe and hit the bell icon, because I drop new videos every week breaking down exactly how to make money online. No fluff, just real strategies that work. Drop a comment below and let me know, which side hustle are you going to try first? I read every single comment and I'll reply with specific tips for your situation. And hey, if you want a head start on affiliate marketing or print on demand, I've got a special link in the description with some bonus resources and tools I personally use and recommend. Quick disclaimer. Some links in the description are affiliate links, which means I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you if you decide to check them out. I only recommend stuff I actually believe in. Alright, that's it for today. Now stop watching YouTube videos about making money and go actually make some money. I'll see you in the next one.